Students, today we are going to learn EVS subjects, Unit 1, second semester book, 1, lesson number 1, Things Around Us. Things around us means we have lived in our place that all surrounding there we have see many different kinds of things. Yes, na? Yes. In our school, in our home, in our garden, that all many where places we have see a different kinds of things. See, let us see what we have we have studied about in this lesson. You know, we are surrounded by many different kinds of things. When you go to a new place, do you look around and observe what you see? Now in your classroom, if you close your eyes, can you tell exactly where everything is? Name all the things in the room around you. See, here they are asking about if you are in a class, in your classroom, that time you close your eyes and you think about in your surrounding different kinds of things. What you see there? Yes, anyone guess? Yes, books. Yes, chalk, table, chairs, blackboard and duster. Yes, dustbin and also pen, pencils, erasers, sharpeners, windows also. Yes, correct. Wall also, walls. Yes, these all things we have seen. Now think about now you are in a home. What do you see in your home? Different kinds of things. Anyone guess? Yes. Yes. Table, chair, sofa set, bed. Yes. Brooms. Then glasses. Yes. Jars. Yes. Anything? Yes. More than thing we have seen in our house and homes. Yes, na? Yes. If we are now going to in garden, what we have seen different kinds of thing there. Yes, in garden we have seen there benches, sitting benches. Yes, grass. Yes, trees. Yes, and also yes, butterflies. Yes, animals, small pet animals. Yes, na? Yes, flowers. This more than thing we have seen in a also garden. Now we have start the lesson. Okay, you all things correctly say to me. Yes, but one thing you remember. Yes, anyone? You missing this? Air, sound and smell. These three things we cannot see but we feel it. Yes, na? Yes. Now we have start the lesson. You already know that we are surrounded by air, sound, smell, light and heat. There are also many things that we see around us. Yes, na? Yes. Some of these things such as plants, animals, land, water and mountains are all the part of nature. These are natural things. What are the natural things? Some of these the things such as plants, animals, land, water, mountains are our natural things. Okay. The sun, moon, bird, fish and water are also natural things. We the people living on the earth are also the part of nature. This sun, moon, bird, fish, water, these also is natural things. Also people living on the earth, that part of the nature. Do you understand? We all is a part of nature. We also see many other things such as vehicles, roads, buildings, machines, clothes and paper. These are not a part of nature. These are man-made things. See, what things is the man-made things? The vehicles, roads, building, machines, clothes, paper, etc. That is of nature, these are a man-made things. Which we make underline. Vehicles, roads, buildings, machines, clothes and paper. These are not the parts of the nature. These are all man-made things. Do you understand? Good. Both natural and man-made things are a part of our surrounding. Both of natural things and man-made things, both of part of the surrounding. Our environment is made up of all that which surrounds us. The things that we see around us are our physical environment. It is important for us to know and understand our environment. We can live comfortably in our surroundings. Do you understand? See what things man-made and natural. Man-made things is the road, vehicles, buildings, machines, clothes, papers. Extras means in our schools, tables, chairs, that all thing, blackboard, chalks, that all thing is a man-made things. Okay. And natural thing is which one? Plants, animals, land, water, mountains are the nature thing. These all things we see in our surrounding. That we have called a environmental. That we have say our physical environment. Okay. Do you understand this lesson? Good. Very good. See, what's more they are given to here. What's more? The first man-made things was the chisel. It is a tool made out of the hard stone. It was perhaps used to cut the meat and the fruits. This is a chisel and that using in the meat to cut the fruits and meat. Okay, good, very good. Do you understand this lesson? Yes. Now, one thing, what is a man-made? Man-made means made by a human beings. Means man-made that things we call a man-made things like a table, chair, bed, cupboard, then blackboard, our road, aeroplane, ships, whatever that man-made that we call a man-made things. And environmental, the surroundings in which we live, that we have called a surrounding, environment. Okay? Yes. Do you understand this lesson? Yes, very good. Thank you.